With the recent passage of federal and state laws, the state of Nebraska devised a statewide system of assessment, thus the creation of NeSA, Nebraska State Accountability. Within the assessment system, 3 core areas are being tested. Those areas are reading, math, and science. The grade levels that are being assessed are grades 3 through 8 and grades 11. Each of the core areas has a table of specifications that is tied to it. This particular table of specifications is reading, and it is designed for grade level 3. Within reading, the assessed areas are vocabulary and comprehension. Notice that these standards are addressing grade level 3 vocabulary. And on this table of specifications, there are identified the particular standards that are addressed. Webb's depth of knowledge was used as a means of measuring the rigor of each of the test items. You will notice the heading going across the top, as well as identification of what level and how many test items will be at each of those levels. Notice that in Language Arts 3.1.5a, there will be a possibility of 2 to 3 questions at level 1 and 2 to 3 questions at level 2, giving the item total of 4 to 6 questions that will be assessed on this particular standard on the NeSA exam. There are also standards that are listed that will not appear on the NeSA assessment, but are to be assessed at the local level. As stated before, each of the core areas does have a table of specifications tied to it. Here is the mathematics table of specs for grade 3. Within the math, there are 4 areas that are being assessed. They are number sense, which is shown here, geometric measurement concepts, algebraic concepts, and data analysis probability concepts. As with the reading table of specs, the standards are listed along with the depth of knowledge and how many items will be falling underneath each of the levels, as well as the total number of items that will potentially appear on the NeSA exam. Again, there are standards that are listed that are to be assessed at the local level. So here's an indication as to what will appear on the NeSA exam and what will not be on that exam, but the responsibility of the local school districts. If you have further questions regarding the table of specifications, please contact ESU1. Thank you.